design for tall building by using curve element. In that we can use G plus 7 story building. Beam section is 350 by and column section is 350 by 350. Slab 150 mm, shear wall 300 mm, and brick masonry wall 230 mm. The concrete grade are used in this M35, and rebar grade is mild 250 and HYSD 415. Just go to file menu, select new model, usual build setup, set usual build up setting, and click on OK. In uniform grid spacing, number of grid lines in X direction is 5 and Y direction is 4. Spacing is not uniform, so select custom grid spacing option. In that, edit grid data. Rectangular grid section, select display grid data as spacing and use the X direction spacing and Y grid spacing. X direction spacing is first is 4, second 3, third 3, fourth 4, and last one is 0. In Y grid data, spacing is 4, next is 5, again next is 4, and last one is 0. Just click on OK. In story dimension, simple story data, number of story 4, because we have to draw G plus 7 story building. Typical height and typical story height and bottom story height is 3 meter. Select grid only option and click on OK. For properties, go to define menu, select material properties, add new material, select region as India, material type concrete, standard Indian, and grade is selected as M35. Click on OK. Add another new materials, material type rebar and grade HYSD 415. OK. For mild 250. For bricks, add new material type is masonry. Just click on OK. OK to exit. For section properties, define menu, select section property as frame section, and add column and beam section. For that, add new property, select concrete rectangular, give property name as beam 350 by 350, a material type M35, a section dimension, depth and width is 350 to each. For reinforcement, go to modifier show rebar. In that, select beam, design type beam, change the rebar material longitudinal and confinement as a HYSD 415 and mild 250. Give the cover 25 for bottom and top. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Again for column property, add new property, select concrete rectangular, give column property name as column property 350 by 350, material M35, section dimension 350 and 350 to each. For reinforcement, go to modify show rebar option. Design type change is column. Give rebar material longitudinal and confinement as HYSD 45 and mile 250. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK to exit. For slab property, go to define menu, select property section. In that slab section, add new property, give property name is slab 150 and material is M35, slab thickness 150. Click on OK. Click on OK to exit. Internal shear wall and external wall, go to define menu, property section property. In that select wall section, add new property, give property name as a brick masonry wall. Wall material is masonry and thickness 300. Click on OK. OK to exit. For drawing the curve element, first start with the draw of the shear wall to eliminate any overlapping while drawing beams and column. As the shear wall coincide with grid lines, you can be use quick draw option. Just go to draw menu, select floor wall object. In that select quick draw wall. In bottom side, change the property to be defined for shear wall. Select all story option, bottom right side, and draw the shear wall. Select the shear wall, select the area where we have to draw the shear wall. Now proceed with the draw of column. Just go to draw menu, select beam column brace object, and now select quick draw column. Change the property for column. Carefully select the area where column we have to place. Corner has no columns. And shear wall has no columns. Now draw for the beams. Just go to draw menu, select beam column brace object, and select beam, change property, as for beam, just draw the straight line beams. Now for the curve beams. Cannot draw the curve beam with the quick draw option, so go to draw menu, select draw column brace object, and now select first option. Change the property of the defined property of the beam. In line drawing type, select arc center 2 points. Just draw the curve arc. After selecting the arc center and 2 points, click once the center of the arc. Click on the starting point of the arc, click on the end point of the arc. And right click. Follow the same procedure for drawing another curve arc. For this slab, first you have to use the quick draw option. To draw rectangular slab, go to draw menu, select floor wall object, and select the quick draw floor wall. Change the property of the one that we have defined. Select the area. Now we have completed the slab. For curve slab, go to draw menu, select floor wall object, and select floor wall, first option. Draw edge drawing type. Select 3 arc 3 point. Now arc 3 point is selected because it is close figure. Go to any of the corner. Click on the first point of the beam and click on the another end of the beam arc. Follow this same procedure for drawing the another curve slab. For external masonry walls, go to Draw menu, select Floor Wall Object and select Draw Wall. Change the property of that wall to that of the masonry wall. Start with the draw of the curved walls. So the line drawing type is center, arc center and 2 points. Follow the same procedure in used to draw curved beam. Select center point, another point, follow the same procedure for drawing another walls. Now we have draw the complete brick masonry walls. Now for straight line walls, only change the line drawing type as a straight line and draw the straight line beams. Select one point, another point, just right click, again select start point, end point, right click. Follow the same procedure. Now we have successfully draw the straight line walls. For deleting the base slab, by using arrow keys, go to base, select one story option in right side, select the base cells one by one. Press the delete key. Select the wall area as a 16 joints. Go to assign menu, select joint, click on distance. Select first option, fixed, apply and OK. Now we have designed the complete stall building by using masonry walls. Just go to 3D view, rotate 3D view. This is the complete design for tall building.